Hi, here's another video. I've got this Nespresso Gemini coffee machine which is stuck in descaling. It just won't complete the cycle. Even if you fill up the tanks, it's just constantly purging and trying to descale, but the program will not complete. So what I've done, flicked it off at the power and switched it back on at the plug, wall plug, and then I'm just going to try and put it into the menu. And then I'm just going to navigate to reset, factory reset. You see there, confirm. Click yes and then confirm. Okay, so now it's just a matter of switching the machine back off again at the plug, switching it back on. When you turn it on, it will continue the descaling mode as it was doing before, but it should complete. See here, it's carried on as it was before, but this time the containers are empty completely. And it's asking me to fill up the containers, which I'm going to do now. Which is a good sign. It wasn't doing this before. It was just constantly stuck in descaling mode. And as you can see, it's given the option to carry on. And now it's rinsing, whereas it wasn't doing this before. It was just stuck on descale. And once that rinsing mode is finished, and that completes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.